Dear friends, we have to reach to the topic dimensional analysis. But let us revise two things, dimensions and dimensions formula. Here I am writing dimension and here dimensional formula. This is dimensional formula. Now we have to discuss on these two topics, but in the previous one we have discussed. Today we have to revise so that we can prepare ourselves for some strong questions. Okay. Now suppose I am writing. Let us start with a very easy thing. Here I am writing. Area. What will be the dimension? Suppose area, if you are going to find, then you write L into B. 2 times L into B, L comes 2 times because breadth is also a type of length. So we can write here, but we can write suppose very lower level L into L. Dimensions here will be written here 2 times L. If you are writing 2 times L, its power will be 2. This is the dimension. Then we are going to write the dimensional formula. Then we have written the dimension of area. This is L square. Now we have to focus here dimensional formula. In the previous sections of our series of NCERT solutions, we have learned that we have to write MLT. Why? Because it is a type of mechanical physics we are reading. So if we are looking very carefully, there is no M. So the M will get 0, L will get 2, and T, guess what will be dimension for T? Very easily you can suppose this is 0 because there is no value of time. Now we have written this one area. Suppose we have to write the dimension of volume. This I have taught you in our previous series. You can find on my channel. Now next thing, suppose we have to find other dimension of what? Guess what should I give? Suppose I am giving you time period. So I will not lose time, and I think I should explain you that it will be 1 by T. Why? Because it is what? It is the I have written symbol of frequency. This is measured in time. So the dimension will be 1 by T. This will become here what? A dimensional formula. M is not here, so M is 0. L is also what? 0, and T becomes -1. This is the dimension of time period. Let us consider what is the frequency of what is the dimension and dimensional formula of frequency. Suppose I am writing here frequency. So easily it is known that 1 by time period, and this is measured in time. This will be represented by T. So this will also in the same form 1 by T, and this becomes the same as above one, M0, L0, T -1. Now suppose we have to find the dimension of momentum. Momentum we have to consider for dimensional formula. Suppose the standard thing I am taking for you, then its explanation will be by force into time. It means force, here force I am writing into time. So this one will be converted simply by putting the dimension of force and time. I think you must have memorized the dimension of force, and just beside it you should write the dimension of time, and after multiplying you can get the dimension formula of this one. But we will discuss broadly on this momentum as a inclusive part of dimension just after erasing this blackboard. Suppose we are considering energy for its dimension. Energy is also a type. Energy is also called work. So work also have the same dimension. Dimension, how it will be find out? So we have to find out the formula of work. Work means force into displacement. So force into displacement means force has I think you have memorized the dimension of force. So simply I am giving you to write here directly how you can write the dimension formula. For you I think हमें लग रहा है कि आपको डिफिकल्टी होगी, इसलिए यहाँ पर सॉल्यूशन करके हम दिखा भी देते हैं. फोर्स के लिए हमने निकाला था फोर्स मीन्स ma mass into acceleration. This means it becomes here mass m and here mass into acceleration. So mass means m and acceleration means displacement per unit time. It means time into time here. So duri L will be here and time will be 2 times in the downside of, it means as a denominator, so it will have -2. इसको -2 पावर होगा. So this is the dimension very easily we have calculated for force. So if you write here m L T -2, and one thing will be increased for force. What thing will be increased? It means force into displacement. Displacement is measured in what? In length. So L will be added here. L will be multiplied here. And then finally, what will be coming? क्या यहाँ आएगा? Here we will write m L power 2 and T -2. Okay, this has become the dimension formula for work or energy. Now, suppose we are trying to find out the dimension of power. Power, this is what? Rate of doing work is called power. It means work by time. This will be, here we are writing work by time. This will give here work dimension you have written here. What you have written? Finally, write dimension formula m L 2 T -2 by time is also in this way. And now dimension formula will be here. What? T will come upside and it will be added here in the 2. It will become what? M L2 and T. Think T क्या होगा? T -1 अगर इसमें ऐड होगा, it will become -3. I think you have understood how I have calculated the dimension formula for power. Now I think we have got a very tiresome work. It means not very tiresome work. It is the starting point. We have to run on our study. For our study, we have to run. So I want to share a story, but I think it is not possible today. In the next one, I can share a story that is very important for the society, for the students also. Now I think I have to give put a question for you that will bring you reward. If you watch total channels, there will be answer of my question, and if you send the answer of that question on my email ID, you will get a handsome reward. Now the question that I am giving you is not very tough, but it will have to be done. It means it's solved by you very carefully. The question is here, question that will bring you a reward. But before that question, I want to share a simple thing that IITian who want to become IITian must consider in their mind. That question, suppose I am putting a question for you. Rational numbers, it means all rational numbers are fractional number. All fractions are also rational number. In these two statements, which one is correct and why? I think you can guess the answer. But this is not the question for reward. Question is coming here. I am writing for you. The question is that find the range of mass between the masses